Hey everybody, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to improve your listening and comprehension as I speak. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell. Are you ready? Today I'm going to talk about money. This is a very important topic because money is a big part of our lives. First, let's talk about currencies. A currency is the type of money that a country uses. For example, the currency of the US is the dollar, and the currency of Mexico is the peso. Every country uses a currency to buy and sell things. Some currencies are very valuable, and others are less valuable. For example, today one US dollar is worth about 22 Mexican pesos, so the dollar is more valuable right now. What currency does your country use? Now let's talk about prices. In the US, most things are expensive. They cost a lot of money. In other countries, things are cheaper. They don't cost as much. For example, in the US, the average price of a house is about $250,000, but in Mexico, the average price of a house is around $40,000. That's a big difference, right? Prices can vary a lot between countries. Another major difference is salaries. In some countries, salaries are high, while in others they are low. In the US, salaries are generally higher because the cost of living is also high. In some countries, people don't need as much money to live, but everyone needs some money to survive. Now let's talk about spending and saving money. Some people really enjoy spending money while others prefer saving it. Different people have different habits. My family always valued saving money. My mom taught me to save part of what I earn, so now I try to save regularly. However, it's not always easy. You have to be careful because it's easy to spend too much. I know many people who don't save money. They spend most of it on clothes, electronics, vacations, and other things. I also spend money on these, but not all of it. Some people spend everything because they want to enjoy the present moment. I don't think I could do that. It's important to enjoy life, but it's also important to plan for the future. Another thing people do with their money is invest. You can invest in different things like the stock market, real estate, currencies, or gold. Many Americans invest their money because they want it to grow over time. In some countries, investing is not very common, or people don't have good investment options. You should always be careful when investing because not all opportunities are good. Some investments can lead to losses. Overall, people manage their money in many different ways. All right, that's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me, do you prefer spending, saving, or investing money? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and follow us on Instagram for more English tips and lessons. See you next time.